I can hear you. I'm recording right now. Ethan, whatever his name is, hacking.
Yep. This is amazing because we found this out. And we're just gonna hack from pre-gap, alright? Should I pre-gap?
No. Just come on, hurry up TPA so I can end the recording.
He's here. Protect me, yo. Got it. Got your back. He's blocking himself off. Pussy-ass bitch. Get out of here, you fucking bitch-ass, punk-ass baby.
I can hit him through this crack right here.
Come here, you little punk-made bitch. Fuck, I'm in combat.
Okay, he blocked it off all the way. I can't hit him. He TP'd out.
How easy ban? Like, oh my god, how is that an easy ban?
Tell him I'm recording too.
I'm not even fucking hacking. I can share my screens right now. Glitch killing? That ain't glitch killing.
Because I couldn't see him for an entire 2 minutes while my gap was still on.
Dumbass. You can get, shit. Yo, we almost had him, bro.
For hitting him through a crack, that's completely legal. He just potted.
Me. Bro, my boots are gonna break.
Their no cheat TP'd me back.
Huh?
Apparently I'm a no cheat. I should have gotten in there with him.
Alright, I fixed all my gear. Everything's fixed.
Should I end the recording? I mean, that's not enough to get him for hacking.
No, leave it on.
Okay. Hang on, I'm getting my mouse. So it's not loud clicking for everybody.
Listen to that. Jitter clip. We're gonna probably die, so we're gonna TP somebody in. Oh, hell, he's ready. He is ready. He has 2 sets on him.
It's Destroyer, too. Well, the chest plate is, which was mine, because I died.
How is it a glitch?
Tell him I'm recording, too.
You left it open, mate.
Tell him I'm recording, too. You can clearly hit through a little crack of a block in a chest.
You can hit through a crack in a chest, dumbass.
No, through the block in the chest. Look, everybody, you see him right here? Yeah.
Bro, he thinks I'm hacking? Oh my god.
Say goodbye to your rank, you know, threats. This is going on forums, too, so...
He's pissed.
Tell him I'm recording.
Yo, he has no more gaps.
Tell him I'm recording. Easy ban. I don't give a fuck.
How is that easy ban? And plus, they can't really ban you for that. Because look, right here, see, now you can't hit through it. But
because he blocked it off. If I was right here, I could have hit him. Say recording your hacks. Tell him to come back. He won't. Plus David Hissing. Oh, that's DDoS threat. Inclination IP. Say DDoS threat, question mark.
Screeny. Yes.
This
He's getting banned for that.
This is still recording.
Get ready, I think he's coming back.
That is a threat. He's saying he has my IP. That's illegal.
He ain't taking shit from me. I know how to turn on the VPN thanks to one of his buddies.
You can DDoS me all he wants. I'll just ban him. Yeah, I'll just get him banned. Tell Credibility I'm muted for a day, because freaking Duck Guardian didn't give me any warning and muted me for a day.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
Alright. Can you hear my clicks? You ready?
Yeah, I hear it. See? Hope you get DDoS, mate. That's what he just said. Right here, if you cannot see it. Right there.
Screeny.
I'm recording. This is all going on. Tell him this is all going on forums.
Alright, yo, you wanna just get out of here and come back later? Yo, don't get out. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Fuck, you left me.
Should I end the recording right now? Or should I...
No, leave it on, because we're about to go back to their farm. Yo, dude, I was wrecking him. I was just like... He thinks I'm hacking.
I can hear your clicks. So can the recording.
It's not a glitch. Oh my god. Hold on. Is hitting someone through a chest, which...
No, say hitting them through the crack with a block.
Through a crack with a block. Is that PvP glitching?
I'm recording, but I don't know for how long I've been recording.
Yo, if you're recording, yo, why don't you go show them our base?
Oh, I am.
Okay.
This is our farm. It's big.
Can you review it, please?
Tell him he has to unmute me so I can post it in chat.
Okay.
Tell whatever his name is that I need to post this link.
It's not a glitch, Ethan. There was...
Say that... Okay, tell Anavemius that I'm muted and I can't.
Yo, do such FF. Do like that. Do dot FF and then type in the thing. No, like the link, and I'll post it.
Oh, here we go. Credibility spamming me.
What is he spamming you?
1v1.
You dumb as fuck, kid.
Alright, I'm gonna end the recording. I think I got enough evidence of him DDoS threading. And if staff doesn't see that, then
DDoS threats.
there's DDoS threats and him hacking. He wasn't even hitting me through the crack. He was kill ordering me through the block. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the recording here.